Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I am Disco Katie the Crafty Crafter. Today we'll be playing with Craft Kitsune. I haven't looked in the box, so I don't know what's in there. So let's just get right into it. Okay, let's see what is in the box. Packing paper, and let's see. 2-part epoxy resin and a brown Morandi pigment. 3 little tiny molds in squirrel, owl, and bunny. They're cute enough, I guess. Although, I will warn you at the end of this video, I'm going to hate them. Some wood clay that is super squishy. A tool for playing with the clay, and I'm going to totally use it wrong, and that's fine. The instructions. Very simple. So I decided to use a mold release in these because I have used those long crystal molds that are really hard to deal with, and that's how I get the resin out of those. Yeah. So let's mix up our 2-part epoxy resin. I'm going to make way too much, and that's fine. These, I make like probably 20 milliliters. These probably need like 5 all total. And I am going to use so much of that Morandi pigment in comparison to other Morandi pigments that I've used. I must have used at least a dozen drops to get it to be that color. It's just, it was not good stuff. Okay, so only fill it halfway up and then give it a good squishy so that you can get all of the air out of the ears and the little spots, because we don't want any bubbles. And then go ahead and fill up the rest, and then after squishying them, top them up and put them aside to cure for 24 hours. And I got myself a little glass bowl, which is what the instructions said. Use a bowl to make a bowl. And, you know, it's not horrible clay. As we all know, I am not good with clay. I need more practice with clay. I should just play with clay all the time. No, I know. I'm a resin person. But, yeah, I mean, it's not horrible. It's an air dry clay, and it's I probably should have taken it off of the glass bowl, but I wait until it's dry to do that. Now, see, I should have made concentric rings with this instead of making lines from the edges to the center, but, you know, whatever. So, it's actually been a couple of days at this point because I haven't had a chance to just get back to my table, and it is taking me so long and so much pain. My hands hurt so much after getting that poor bunny out. And I try the owl, I try the squirrel, but I'm gonna take a break and I'm gonna get the clay off of the bowl, and I'll come back to these because they hurt so much. Okay, so it did make a suction seal to the bowl, so I'm running my fingernail along the edge to break that seal. It's not going to break it quite enough though, so I'm going to have to go in with a mini skewer toothpick kind of thing to really break the seal. And this will work pretty well. But just everything about this is just, I don't think it quite cured in the middle because it's slightly different color. It is very cuttable though. You can watch as I trim the edge down to one of the lines on the bowl. It would have worked so well if I hadn't already been super frustrated with the molds. So frustrated with the molds. And yeah, I just, yeah, I broke the skewer trying to get it in there. I also put a hole in it, so the squirrel is definitely never going to be able to get used again. Oh, that was rough. That was super, super rough. But there's still one more to go. And yay, the last one came out a little bit better. But that's it.
Well, that was certainly a kit. I was gonna try to do a little bit more with it. You know, I was thinking about using some of the ink to, you know, like try to give this a little pop of color and a little bit of dimension, but after trying to get these out of their molds for, what, 10 minutes? My hands hurt, and I will never use these molds again. Ever. Guarantee it. I hate them with the passion of 1,000 suns. I'm not usually this, you know, like, forward with how much I hate something, but I hate those molds. I hate them. They don't even make cute things. No, I don't. I don't like it. I don't recommend it. I hate the clay. I hate the molds. I give this a solid, we'll say 2 out of 10 for, you know, like, the kit. Nope. Nope. Oh well. That's all I have to say about it, though. I mean, the molds were hard to deal with. I mean, I've dealt with those crystal molds that are hard to deal with, but I think those might have actually been easier than this. Anyway, here's the bowl. It looks stupid, it feels stupid, it's super flexy, which, you know, I guess is good. I don't know, I was expecting it to, like, solidify, you know, do something. It looks like it's ripping. Oh, look, it is. Let's make it a 0 out of 10. I hate this kit. Hopefully next month's will be better. So, with that being said, until next week, stay safe.